In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Garmin watch to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect any Garmin device that you have with an iPhone. You will be able to do this regardless of the Garmin watch model that you have and regardless of the iPhone model that you have. So all that you have to do is download the Garmin Connect application. So go over to the App Store, look for Garmin Connect, and you will be able to download an app just like this. In here, you have to sign into a pre-existing account or sign up to use the service. Once you have an account created, you will be able to connect any device. So usually at the home screen, you will see the option here, as you can see, or you can go over to more and you will also be able to find the option to connect new devices. So when you tap Garmin devices, you will see all of the devices that you have currently paired. If you don't have any connected, tap the option at the bottom to connect. If needed, give it permissions to see your location. And after you enable location permissions, you will be able to get this done. So immediately upon tapping on add device, you will see this screen and the setup is going to start. Usually you will have to do something on your Garmin device or you can choose it manually from here. So choose the model that you have. They are going to list stuff like the Vivo Active 3, the Forerunner 25335, Forerunner 35 and so on. Just choose any of these devices and immediately upon selecting it, it is going to start searching. All that you have to do is make sure that your Garmin device is set up in Bluetooth mode. Immediately upon putting it in Bluetooth mode by going over to settings, Bluetooth or phone, and then pair mobile device, you will be able to get it done. So from the Garmin Connect application, just wait for it to connect and you will be good to go. Sadly, I don't have a Garmin device to finish this process, but immediately upon selecting it here, and then setting up the actual watch by going over to the Bluetooth settings, you will be good to go to get them connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin watch to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.